Hello friends, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to do a very important topic, that is time and work. And this topic is very important because every year you can expect at least 2 questions in CAT exam. Every year, at least 2 or 3 questions, 110%. And in exact also in other MBA entrance exams. And it is the topic that if you take any entrance exams, definitely you are going to get 2 3 questions. So, and other thing is that this topic is very easy. Once you are able to clear your basics, then 100% accuracy, with 100% accuracy you can get all your questions right. So let's see how to solve these kind of questions. And I will not be teaching you any formulas as such, because there are no certain formulas which are required. Just your base should be clear, and only single formula you have to remember, that work is equal to rate into time. Remember this single formula. With this single formula you can solve all the questions easily. So, and there are certain tricks about LCM also. We will see how to solve these from the questions. So I believe in reverse engineering practice. That is that you learn from the questions. You need not go to the theory part, learn a lot of theory, then do practical. This is not required at all. Just start solving the questions directly. And I can guarantee you, if you watch this whole video and you are able to solve all the questions given in the video, nothing else is required from this topic. 100% your 8 to 10 marks in CAT exam are fixed if you have watched this video and if you have understood this video clearly. So let's start. So question number 1. So question number 1. A takes 10 days to paint a house. B takes 15 days to do the same work. Okay. So in these kind of questions, there is a trick actually. 10 days given and 15 days given. You have to take LCM of 10 and 15. This is solution number 1. I will teach you another method also. LCM of 15 and 10 is equal to 30. How do you calculate it? 10, 5 into 2, 15, 5 into 3. So LCM is 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to 30. So let work is equal to 30 units. Okay. So rate of A is equal to 30 by 10 is equal to 3. How I got it? Rate of A into time by A is equal to total work. So rate of A is equal to 30 by 10 is equal to 3. Similarly, rate of B is equal to 30 by 15 is equal to 2. A starts the work and B joins him after 2 days. So for 2 days only A works. Then B joins. So A plus B, let us assume the time T for the remaining days, then the whole work is completed. 30 units are completed, because how much time A and B will finish the remaining work. This is the remaining work, so we have to find this T. So 2 into what is RA, 3 plus 3 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 30. So 5T is equal to 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. T is equal to 24 by 5 is equal to, it will come to around 4.8 days. This is the right answer. There is another approach also, just to clear your concepts. Once you are confident with the concept, you can do the LCM method. Let's say, let us assume total work is equal to W. Rate of A is equal to W by 10. Rate of B is equal to W by 15. For 2 days A works, rate of A into 2. For remaining days, both A and B works. For T, whole work is completed. Okay. So what is rate of A? W by 10 into 2 plus W by 10 plus W by 15 into 2 is equal to W. W cancels everywhere to 5. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 into T is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. And you take the LCM as 30. So 3 plus 2 into T is equal to 4 by 5. That implies T is equal to 30 into 4 divided by 5 into 5. So 5, 6 is equal to 24 by 5 is equal to 4.8 days. Got it? From both the methods, you can get the same answer. But if you take the LCM, then the calculation part becomes easy. And why we have taken the LCM of 10 and 15? Because if you see, if you take the total work as LCM of 10 and 15, then when you are calculating the rates 30 by 10 or 30 by 15, then this is easily divisible. You will get 3, you will get 2 here. You are going to play with the integers, so calculation becomes a lot more easier. That's why you have to prefer the LCM method. Otherwise, if you forget LCM or LCM to take is very hard, this is the general method. Let's move on to the next question and see how we are going to solve those. Okay, so question number 2. Ram can complete a piece of work in 10 days while working for 8 hours a day. So 10 into 8 is one side, 80 hours. Sham can complete same piece of work in 15 days by working for 10. 15 into 10 is equal to 50. Okay, find the time taken if both Ram and Sham work on it for 12 hours a day. So we have to find rate of Ram and rate of Sham. Okay. So in these kind of questions, I told you, you can prefer the LCM method. Here we will take the LCM of 80 and 150. So 80 can be written as 2, 4, 220, 210, 25. 150 can be written as 5, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 3. So 5 into 5 into 8 into 3. 5 8 40, 5 3 15. Okay, so you can take the LCM as around 1200. So let work is equal to 1200 units. Okay, simple. So rate of Ram is equal to 1200 divided by 10 into 8, because he works for 10 days by working for 8 hours a day, equal to 0, 4 to 8, 4 to 12, 15. Rate of Ram is equal to 15. Rate of Sham is equal to 1200 divided by 15 into 10. So 5 3, 5 to 10, 5 4, 3 8. So rate of Sham is equal to 8. Okay, find the time taken to complete if both Ram and Sham. So Ram plus Sham works for 12 hours. Days we do not know. Let number of days be T equal to total work. So rate of Ram is 15 plus Sham is 8 into 12T is equal to 1200. 1200. So T is equal to 100 by 15 plus 8, that is 23. If you calculate this, so 23, then 100, 12, 58, 9, it will be coming to 4 point something. So 4.3 days is the right answer. Got it? How we solve this? This also you can solve without using the LCM method. You can assume work be W. Rate of Ram will be W by 10 into 880. Rate of Sham will be W by 15 into 10 150. Then rate of Ram W by 80 plus W by 50 into W by 80 plus W by 150 into 12 into T is equal to W. W will cancel. Finally, also T you will be able to find as 4.34. Okay, this is the simple method. Let's move ahead to the next question. Okay, A and B while working together can complete a work in 6 days. B and C complete the same work in 8 days. A and C can complete in 16 days. Okay, A, B, C working together. Okay. So here days are given 6 day, 8 day, 16 day. I told you take the LCM. LCM of 6, 8 and 16. So 2, 3, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 2, 2. So LCM is 18 into 3. LCM is coming to be around 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 16 into 3. Let total work equal to, sorry, 16 into 3. 18, 48. 48 units. Simple. So A plus B, rate of A plus rate of B, or okay, rate of A plus rate of B is equal to 48 by 6. I hope you are able to get now. 8. Rate of B plus rate of C is equal to 48 by 8 is equal to 6. So, and A and C, rate of A plus rate of C is equal to 48 by 16 is equal to 3. From this equation, if you bring here, rate of A plus rate of B is equal to 8, 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So, RB minus RC is equal to 5, and RB plus RC is equal to 6. So 2RB is equal to 11. That implies RB is equal to 5.5. Okay, and from here RA is equal to 8 minus 5.5 is equal to 2.5, and RC equal to, from here you can calculate, sorry, from here you can calculate RC is equal to 6 minus RB 5.5 is equal to 0.5. So RC is equal to 0.5. These three values we have got. This one, RB is equal to 5.5 and RA is equal to 2.5, RC is equal to 0.5. Okay. Now it is given that A, B and C started working together and C left the task 2 days before it was completed. A left the task 1 day before it was completed. So let total days is equal to X. A, B and C working together. So rate of A plus rate of B plus rate of C. These two have worked for X minus 2 days together. Then C left the task 2 days and A left 1 day. So plus RA plus RB, those guys worked for 1 day. And on the last day, only RA left. C left, only RB worked because A also left. Getting how I am solving? For X minus 2 days, RA, RB and C, all three guys worked together. Then C left 2 days before, only RA and RB worked for 1 day. Then RA left 1 day before, only RB worked. And then we have to, then the whole task was completed, which is 48 units. So RA plus RB plus RC, RA is 2.5 plus 5.5 plus 0.5 into X minus 2 plus RA plus RB 2.5 plus 5.5 plus only RB 5.5 is equal to 48. So this comes around 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5 X minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.5 X minus 2 into 855 minus 17 plus 8 plus 5.5 is equal to 48. Then if you are going to solve the value of x from here, you are going to get 6.05. X is equal to 6.05. So this is the time required to complete the whole task. This question also you can solve without LCM. You can consider total work is equal to W units. RA plus RB will be W by 6. RB plus RC will be W by 8. Similarly, you can solve and then you can find out the value of X. Okay. So let's move ahead to the next question. Okay. A playground can be grazed by 5 sheep in 5 days and by 7 sheep in 7 days. How much time will grass grow? So here our grazing is actually grazing the playground is actually the work, and grass growing is against the work which is to be completed. So rate of grass here we will take as negative. This is rate of grass growth. Okay. And so 5 sheep, 5 into rate of sheep into 5 days, 5 into RS minus RG into 5 days is equal to total work, which is grazing the whole playground, and 7 into RS minus RG, which is constant, into 3 is equal to total work. You can equate these two equations. 1 is equal to 2. So 25 RS minus 5 RG is equal to 21 RS minus 3 RG. So 4 RS is equal to 2 RG. So RG is equal to 2 RS. Simple. Total work is equal to 5 into RS minus RG means 2 RG. 2 RG is equal to 2 RS. So 2 RS work is equal to into 5 work is equal to 3 RS into 5 is equal to 15 RS. This is the total work. How much time will it take by 6 sheep? So 6 into RS into time is 6 into RS minus RG into time is equal to total work. So 6 into RS minus what is RG? 2 RS into time is equal to total work is 15 RS. So 4 RS into time is equal to 15 RS. RS get cancelled. T is equal to 15 by 4. So 4, 3, 12. 3.7 something should be the right answer. So 3.75 is the right answer. I hope you got it. How we solved this. Here we did not assume any particular time or LCM. We could have solved by taking LCM also, but it was getting a bit complicated here. It will take us a bit time to figure out what LCM should we take. So directly we solved. One thing to take away from this question is, here our work was grazing playground, and grass growth is against the work. It is actually decreasing the work. The number of units which are getting completed, it is actually cancelling the effect. That's why we have taken negative. So this is a similar concept. If suppose a question comes of filling a tank, tap A fills, that will be positive. Tab B empties, that will be negative. So whatever which is deconstructing our work, that is taken as negative. Whatever which is adding to our work or constructing our work, that is taken as positive. Let us say two people are working together, Ram and Sham. Both are building a wall and Ram is putting the bricks. So that work will be taken as positive. Shyam is taking out bricks. So rate of Shyam will be taken as negative. I hope you got it. So let's move ahead to the next question. Okay. A, B, C and D complete a job in 2, 4, 6 and 8 days respectively. Okay. They are divided. So let work is equal to LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 8 is the 24 is equal to 24 units. Rate of A is equal to 24 by 2 is equal to 12. Rate of B is equal to 24 by 4, 6. Rate of C is equal to 24 by 6, 4. Rate of D is equal to 24 by 8 is equal to 3. These are required divided into two equal groups and each group completes one task. So these two groups can be A, B, or group can be B, C. No, if AB is there, then other group will be CD, or group can be AC, other group will be BD, or group can be AD, other group will be BC, and these two will be together, these two groups will be, these two group will be. Okay. Now one thing is, what is asked is actually they complete the task in X and Y days. Also X is greater than Y. We are required to find the minimum value of X divided by Y. This is time. Okay. And we are calculating the rate. So work is equal to rate into time. So work by R is equal to time. So time is inversely proportional to rates. Got it? Remember this thing. Also, if we want to minimize this whole value, what you will understand is we need to actually, if we want to minimize, we have to increase X up to the maximum level. Rate of X we have to increase because time is inversely proportional. We have to decrease this, increase this and this time, but to decrease this time we have to increase the rate. Now this rates and this ratio, if you check carefully, what you will have to do is you will have to remove those two groups should be equal to each other, then only the ratio is going to be minimum. For example, if 12 and 3 are together and 6 and 4 are together, then this will be 15, and 6 and 4 this will be 10. These two ratios, then the ratio is going to be nearby to each other and the ratio is going to be minimum. If 12 and 6 are together and 4 or 3 are together, then the ratio is going to actually exceed, then you are not going to get the minimum value. Other thing is, rather than going into those parts, just calculate for all this. So A and B together 18, C and D together 7, A and C together 16, B and D together 9, A and D together 15, B and C together 10. These are the, what are these? These are actually rates. What is needed is time. So time is inversely proportional. Time is inversely proportional. Now it is given that X is always greater than Y. We need to calculate X by Y. So if you check here carefully, 1 by 10 will be greater than 1 by 15. So in this X by Y will be 1 by 10 divided by 1 by 15. Why I am doing this? Because I am working on time, not on the rates. This is given as rate or work. I am working on the time. So this ratio will come around 1.5. Here ratio will come by 16 by 9. This will be greater than 1.5. Here ratio will be coming by 18 by 7. This will also be coming greater than 1.5. So your answer will be 1.5. Other thing also which I told you, that if you want to what you call reduce that particular ratio, if those two times are nearby to each other, then only you can reduce the ratio. Otherwise ratio is going to be much bigger. So in that way also you can consider A and D and B and C. I hope you are getting it. If you are not able to, with experience you will get it. If you are not able to get it, just simple form the groups, calculate for all these groups. Since time is asked, inversely proportional, calculate the ratio manually, and then you can get your right answer. Let's move it to the next question. Okay, A and B can complete a project in 60 days, B and C in 48 days, A and C in 40 days. LCM of 60, 48 and 40. So LCM will come around 60. So 60 to 3 to 15, 5, 3, 48, 4, 4, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1, 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, 5. So max 2 we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 into 5 into 3. So 15 into 16, 9, 15. So 240. Let work equal to 240 units. You can assume the work as W also, no need to take the LCM, but by LCM your calculation becomes easy. So rate of A plus rate of B is equal to 240 by 60. For rate of B plus rate of C is equal to 48. So 240 by 48. So 2410 to 5. Rate of A plus rate of C is equal to 240 by 40 or 6. From these three equations, three unknown, you can solve easily. So let us say rate of B plus rate of C is equal to 5, 1 minus 1. So RA minus RB is equal to 1 and RA plus RB is equal to 4. Add these two equations, 2RA is equal to 5, RA is equal to 2.5. RB you can find from this equation. RB is equal to 4 minus 2.5. So RB is equal to 1.5. RC you can find from this equation. RC is equal to 5 minus 1.5. So 3.5. All of them started working together. Let me clear this. Okay, all three are working together, but B and C leave after 20 days. How many days? Okay, so A plus B plus C together worked for 20 days. After this, B and C leave. Only A is working 40 days. How many more days will A take to complete the work? This T we have to find, and total work is 240. So A plus B plus C, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7.5 into 20 plus what is A? 2.5 into T is equal to 240. So 75 into 2, 150 plus 2.5T is equal to 240. 2.5T is equal to I think it will come 90. T is equal to 900 by 25, 5, 5, 5, 5, 40, 0, 5, 3, 15. It is coming as 36 days. Got it? How we are able to solve this? Other ways, take as W. This is W by 4. This is W by 60. This will be W by 48. This will be W by 40. But your calculations are going to become a lot more hard. So this LCM way is, see, up to now, how many questions we have solved? We have solved around 6 questions. And there is no rocket science here. All of these, only same concept is used. Same formula, work is equal to rate into time. Only single formula are used. However, the question maybe you will be able to solve with just this single formula. Your concept should be clear. And I have tried to take all different kind of questions which can ever be asked, which have ever been asked, or which may ever be asked in any entrance exam from the time and distance topic in this whole video. If you are able to complete this video and the questions presented in this video, then you are done with it. No need to do anything else. Just practice these questions again and again. 100% you will get very good marks in this topic. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, Dhawan is 20% more efficient than Gambhir. Gambhir can work in 50 days. Let work is equal to 50 units. Rate of Gambhir is equal to 50 by 50 is equal to 1. Dhawan is 1.2, 20% more efficient. So rate of Dhawan is equal to 1.2. Simple. Now Dhawan works on the first day into 1 plus Gambhir works on second day into 1. Dhawan works on third day and so on. 1 and so on. This process continues till the work is completed. So on which day does the work get completed is equal to 50 units. So rate of Dhawan plus rate of Gambhir, 1.2 plus 1 is equal to 2.2. This is one group of 2 days. One group is equal to 2 days. Let there be n groups. So 2.2 into n is equal to 50. N is equal to 50 by 2.2. 500 by 22. So 11, 250, 11 to 22. So 30, 11 point something will be there. Okay. If these kind of questions come, then you do not have to take after point. Just take 2 here. Learn from this. Just take 2 point, do not consider, do not calculate even. 2 point something is there. So definitely n is equal to at least 2. And one group is of, no, not sorry, 2. Wait. 250, 11 to 22, 30, 11 to 2. So 22 point something. Point something we do not have to calculate. So definitely 22 groups are there. At least 22. In one group 2 days. So 22 into 2 is equal to at least 44 days are there. Keep them aside. In 44 days, how much work will be done? In 2 days, 2.2 work is done. In 2 days, 2.2 work is done. 1 day, 1.1 is done. In 44 days, 44 into 11, 44, 44, 4, 4. So this will be 48.4 work will be done. How much work is left? 50 minus 48.4. So 10 minus 4, 6. 1.6 work will be left after 44 days. After 44 days, in 44 days, 48.4 units will be done. 1.6 units out of total 50 units will be left. So these will be completed as in first day, means on 45th day Dhawan will work 1.2 minus 1.2, only 0.4 will be left. 45th day gone. On 46th day Gambhir will do 0.4 units of left. He can do 1 unit also, but he will only 0.4 unit is left. He will take 1 day or less than 1 day, but answer is given in integral values. So the work will be completed on 46th day. I hope you got it. One thing to take key away from this example is whenever these kind of questions repeated are asked, form groups. Here only Dhawan and Gambhir are given. It may be given A, B and C, then again A, B, C work, then again A, B and C work. Form a group, divide, find the rate, total rate 2.2, here we found. Divide by total number of divide by total number of units. You will get something in points, 22 point something. Do not calculate. At least 22 groups are required. So here only D and G were there, to 22 into 2. If A, B and C are there, so 22 into 3. At least 66 days are required. Thereafter, start calculating from day n plus 1, day n plus 2, how much work is. I hope you are getting it right. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, 10 men and 5 women working 4 hours a day take 40 days to complete a work. 5 men and 5 women take 128 days to complete the same work while working 2 hours per day. Will require, okay. So let work is equal to LCM of 4 into 40 or 160 and 128 into 2, 256. So 160, 280, 24, 220, 210, 2551, 256, 2612, 23, 16, 28, 24, 22, 21. So this is 256 into 5, 256 into 5, 5, 6, 30, 5, 28. Let work is equal to, total work is equal to 1280 units. Simple. So 10 men and 5 women working 4 hours, rate of this 10 men plus 5 women is equal to 1280 divided by 40 into 4. 10, 48, 4, 8. So 10m plus 5w is equal to 8, equation number 1. And 5 men plus 5 women is equal to 1280 divided by 128 into 2, 10, 5. So 5 men plus 5 women is equal to 5, equation number 2. Subtract, so 5 men is equal to 3, men is equal to 3 by 5. From here you can find women. 5 women is equal to 5 minus 5m from this equation. 5 minus 5 into 3 by 5 is equal to 2. So women is equal to 2 by 5. Rate of women is equal to 2 by 5. Simple. Let me remove this. What is how many days would 10 women would do to complete the work, which is double than this? So what is the total work now? 1280 into 2 is equal to 10 women, 10 into women, rate of women, into let the number of days be T into 5 hours per day into 5. So 10 into what is rate of women into 2 by 5 into T into 5 is equal to 1280 into 2. 5 5 get cancelled, 2 2 get cancelled, T is equal to 128 days. Let me check the option. Yeah, option number B is the right answer. Got it? A bit lengthy question, but this is how you solve it. Assume work, take the LCM. Instead of LCM, you could have taken W, but your calculations will be a bit much more. Let's move to the next question. Okay. A factory produces shirts and trousers, and all the workers of the factory work identically. Okay. So 100 workers produce 600 shirts and in 2 hours. Let rate of workers is equal to W R. Let us consider as R. So 100 into workers into 2 hours is equal to total units 600 shirts plus 400 trouser. This gets cancelled. 2, 3, 2. Rate is equal to 3S plus 2T. Equation number 1. 60 workers produce. So 60 into workers into in 1 hour is equal to 120 shirt plus 150 trouser. This gets cancelled. So 3 into 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. So 2R is equal to 4S plus 5T. Equation number 2. Into 2, that implies 2R is equal to 6S plus 4T. So equation number 3. So equation number 2 is equal to equation number 3. So 2R equal to 6S plus 4T. So 2S is equal to T. This is the equation, and from here you can take R is equal to 3S plus 2 into T. So T is equal to 2S. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7S. Okay. 50 workers produce 50 shirts in 0.5 hours. So 50 into workers into 0.5, 1 by 2 is equal to 50 shirts plus X trouser. Okay, X we have to find. So 225. So 25 into R is equal to 7S is equal to 50S plus X into T is equal to 2S. S everywhere get cancelled. 7 5 35. 17 is equal to 50 plus 2x. Okay, that implies 175 minus 50. 125 by 2 is equal to x. 612 224. 62.5 is the right answer. Got it? Simple. Let's move to the next question. Ramu and Raghu work on a road and finish 30% of it in 12 days. Okay. Ramu falls sick. Okay. Let work is equal to W. Consider work is equal to W. Ramu and Raghu work on a road and finish 30% of it in 12 days. So Ramu plus Raghu into 12 is equal to 30% of W. 3 by 10 W. So Ramu plus Raghu is equal to 4W by 40. Equation number 1. Ramu falls sick and Raghu completes the remaining job in 42 days. What is the remaining job? Remaining job is 70%. So Raghu into 42 is equal to 7 by 10 W. 7 6. So Raghu is equal to W by 60. Equation number 2. So from here Ramu is equal to W by 40 minus W by 60 is equal to W 60 minus 40 divided by 60 into 40. W into 20 by 60 into 40 to 4 is equal to W by 120. This is Ramu. Equation number 4 or anything what you like. How much more efficient is Raghu when compared to Ramu. So Raghu is W by 60 and Ramu is W by 120. So Raghu is equal to X times of Ramu. Raghu is W by 60 is equal to X times of W by 120. X is equal to 2. That means Raghu is 100% more efficient. 100% more efficient. See, if X is equal to 1, if X is equal to 1, then Raghu is equal to Ramu, then they are same efficient. Okay, they are one time efficient, same efficient. If it is 2, that means 100% more efficient. If it is 3, then it is 200% more efficient. Got it? So this is the right answer, 100% more efficient. Let's these kind of questions, if you are into trading etc., then you will get to know it. If your sum of money gets double, then actually it's 100% profit. If your sum of invested money becomes triple, then you are in 200% profit. Okay, so let's move it to the next question. Okay, a work is done in 8 days if a man works at 50% efficiency. Okay, let rate of man be RM, rate of women be R women. Let work is equal to W. Work is done in 8 days if man works at 50% efficiency is equal to W by 8. Rate of man is equal to W by 4. Till now, if you are not able to get this, I would suggest you go back to the previous questions, watch them again. Now we are solving a bit fast. Women works at 25% efficiency. Okay, sorry, I made a bit mistake here. It is given that if a man works at and a woman works at 25. Okay, so man works at 50% efficiency and women works at 25% efficiency. Then work is done in how many days? 8 days. Okay, so 2 RM plus RW is equal to 4 common, so W by 2. Okay, how many days will it take to complete for 2 men who are completely efficient and 1 woman who is completely efficient? Into T is equal to W. So 2 RM plus RW, value is W by 2. So W by 2 into T is equal to W. T is equal to 2 days. Or from here you could have directly solved it. Take T here, W by 2. So directly 2 days will be the answer. I hope you got it. Let's move to the next question. Okay, question number 12. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Efficiency of a person is 100%. RM 80%. 80 by 100, 428, 5, 248, 25, 4 by 5 RM, 3 by 5 RM, 60%, 2 by 5 RM, and this is 1 by 5 RM. Here efficiency is 0, 0 because on Saturday and Sunday he does not work. Now if he works only on Fridays, it takes 30 Fridays to complete the task. So on Fridays efficiency is RM into 30 is equal to total work. RM is equal to W by 6. Got it? Now we need to consider he starts from Monday. Let's see from Monday to Friday how much work is done. RM 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. is equal to Rm is equal to W by 6 into 1 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 by 5, 2. So 3 W by 6, 2. So from Monday to Friday, he completes W by 2 work. So 5 days completed, Monday to Friday. Then 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, they are on leave. They are not doing any work. Still W by 2 work completed. How much work is left? W minus W by 2 is equal to W by 2. This W by 2 work will be completed in another 5 days from Monday to Friday. So plus 5. So total 12 days. Got it? From first Monday to Friday, he does W by 2 work. Saturday, Sunday, they take leave. Then from next Monday to Friday, they complete the whole work. So total 12 days, their whole work is completed. Option B is the right answer. Let's move ahead to the next question. Okay, W, X, Y and Z can do work in 3, 6, 9 and 12 days. Okay, 9 by 6. Let total work is equal to LCM of 3, 6, 9 and 12. So 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3 and 4. So 4, 3, 12. Total work is equal to 12 days, 12 units. Rate of W is equal to 12 by 3 is equal to 4. Rate of X is equal to 12 by 6. No, here consider 3 and 3. 9, 4, so 36 is equal to 36 units. Sorry. Rate of W is 36 by 3. 12. Rate of X is 36 by 6, 6. Rate of Y is 36 by 9, 4. Rate of Z is 36 by 12 is equal to 3. Okay. They were divided into pairs of 2 each. X, Y, W, X, Y, Z. So pairs can be W, X, Y, Z or W, Y and X, Z or W, Z and X, Y. Or you can write it as X, Y and W, Z. These two pair, these two pair, these two pair. Okay. Number of days taken by two groups is 9 into 16. Let us first find out the rates. W and X together. So 12 and 6, 18. Y and Z, 7. W and Y, 12 and 4, 16. X and Z, 6, 3, 9. X and Y, 10. W and Z, W and Z, 15. These are rates. And you know, work is equal to rate into time. So rate is inversely proportional to time. So here T will be in the ratio 1 is to 18, 1 is to 7, 1 is to 16, 1 is to 9, 1 is to 10, 1 is to 15. These two pair, these two pair, these two pair. Number of days taken by two groups is 9 into 16. So we have to do ratio like it comes to 9 is to 16. So 1 by 16 divided by 1 by 9 is equal to 9 is to 16. This will come only when first is W and Y and second is X, Y, Z. So WY divided by XZ. Then it will come by 9 is to 16. That is which is the first pair. WY is the first pair. Option A is the right answer. I hope you got it. Let's move ahead to the next question. So friends, with this we are now concluding this whole video. Based on time and work, I will be coming with a few more questions of where tank is filled, volume, etc. The same concept is used, but the questions are a bit different. So stay tuned. This channel is for the students who are not able to afford the costly education. And if you are able to follow our channel closely, just watch the videos, practice the questions which are given in the videos. I think it is sufficient enough to crack CAT easily with a very good percentile. So wish you all the best. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.